I saw the Ninja Kitten video, and this is my uncle's kitten. Yay! Yay! Her name is Lucy, and her name is Libby. Alright, let's pet the cute guys. Yay, they're so cute. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. I guess she wants to play ball. We're scratching the king. Kitty! Kitty, kitty, kitty! She's so pretty. She's so pretty. I think she wants a hair massage. It's so cute. So cute.
Hi, Kittens.
They're really cute.
Hi, Lucy. So adorable.
I don't know, they're cute. They're just natural resources. They're just playing ball. They want to play ball. I guess they want to play ball. And what? Well, Libby's shy, but
This is Lucy, and Libby, Sammy.
Libby.
That's Lucy.
Well, that's Lucy, and this is Libby. And she's reaching for the ball. Aww, you cute
Kitty.
Libby.
You're a pretty
And
kitty.
here is Lucy. Lucy! Aww. I think she's shy. Well, time to go, guys. Hope you like the kittens. Peace!